mention, true ascension means retention. Our systems go on the floor. This is what you came here for. Hi friend, 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 hi friend. Our systems go on the floor. This is what you came here for. Your mind is open, your thoughts are flying. So the bounce that's amplifying, taking form as you're complying. Grab the notion, carry on replying. A top tension, embrace mention, true ascension feeds retention. Our systems go out on the floor. This is what you came here for.
So far, broken down car, like strung out old stars, plain talking, served us so well, we traveled through hell, know how we felt.